Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Twitter Analytics for SEO insights. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your internet browser and navigate to twitter.com. Log into your Twitter account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the More option on the left sidebar. Click on More to reveal additional menu options. From the drop-down, select Analytics. If prompted, you may need to click on Get Started to access Twitter Analytics. Once inside the Analytics dashboard, you will see several sections. The Overview tab displays key metrics such as impressions, engagements, and total reach. Take note of these metrics as they provide a snapshot of your account's performance. Next, click on the Tweets section to dive deeper into your tweet performance. Here, you will find detailed statistics for each tweet you've posted. Look for metrics like impressions, engagements, and engagement rate for insights. Analyze which tweets performed the best in terms of engagement. This can inform your content strategy moving forward. Now, navigate to the Audience tab. This section offers demographic insights about your followers. Understanding your audience can help tailor your content to their interests. Next, return to the Tweets section. Identify trends or patterns in your most successful tweets regarding keywords and topics. Take note of hashtags that garnered high engagement. These insights can enhance your search engine optimization efforts. Consider scheduling similar content that aligns with these findings. For more in-depth analysis, utilize the video and conversion sections if applicable. These sections monitor specific engagements and conversions related to your videos. Stay consistent by checking your analytics regularly. This will help you adapt your strategy based on performance metrics. Finally, remember to export your data for further analysis if needed. You can download your tweet performance data in a CSV format. Using Twitter Analytics effectively will give you a competitive edge in SEO. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.